Hey guys, how's it going? So I just want to let you guys know that I bought $200,000 worth of Largo stock. That's right, $200,000 worth of Largo stock. It's actually more than $200,000. It's like 210 or something like that. But I bought a lot of Largo stock and I want to share with you guys. So here's my buy. I have 39,600 shares. Bought at $3.11. I'm down a little bit on that, and then I have another one at $2.28, 43,000 shares. Bought it, up a little bit on that, and then I have another 6,000 shares at $2.15, up 7% on that position. So Largo, this company, like 10 years ago, this company started a while ago. Like, it started up in 2009. I think it came on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture, and eventually it got upgraded into the Toronto Stock Exchange. It is a Canadian company. It used to be $4, but back then the stock was less dilutive. They didn't dilute the stock by loss, and they didn't they diluted the stock by raising capital and paying off debt using the value of the stock. So that's the reason why this price point over here is a lot more shares than it used to be. 528 million shares. I didn't know. I basically made a decision to buy big in around $2.20. I was basically buying the stock when it was around this price, and then when it dipped to 209, I bought some at 210, I believe, and then the stock skyrocketed, and then I was thinking that this marked the bottom, and I don't think it's gonna get lower than $2.10. At least this is what I think. I could be wrong, and the stock could continue to decline. I would be happy if it declined. I would love to add to my position if it declined. So I would be happy if it declines. If you guys want to know better, like, if you want to know what I think about Largo Resources, like information about the company, I made a video, a 50-minute video dedicating on all the important facts on Largo and what you need to know and all the information. Yes, you can spend 2 hours trying to figure out what Largo Resource is, or you can just watch my video and then do your own research on top of what my research is. So this is a video of all my research. I probably spent 10 hours researching Largo Resources. I watched a lot of videos. And then I put everything I gathered together into that video. So I hope it's useful to my members. And I guess this, in a way, it's kind of promoting my stock market membership group, cause I kind of need the money, because I have a business and I want to grow my business. I want to make my business a multi-million-dollar business. I want to eventually take my company public, use the capital I can gain from using the value of my stock to help the company grow and make the company into a multi-million-dollar company in the future, even a billion-dollar company. That would be my dream. If I ever made a billion-dollar company, I would be extremely happy. I think that's the only way for me to truly be rich, is to make a billion-dollar company, a multi-billion-dollar company, if that's possible. I don't know. That's my ambitions. That's my dream. I don't know if I'll achieve it, but no, I'm always gonna try. Maybe one day it'll work out. So right now I'm getting a house, and I'm using debt to purchase the house, so then I can renovate it, Airbnb it out, use it as an office, make better YouTube videos, make better maybe stock market membership videos, have more time to have a dedicated team to do research on companies. So I'm hoping it works out. I'm hoping my YouTube channel grows in the future with more professional videos. So that's my hope. So Largo Resources, a $1.22 billion company. I am going to show you guys at least this part why I really like this company. If you look at the total revenue, right, they're making $149 million quarter over quarter over quarter. They've been growing their revenue. Their operational income is very good. They've been growing it massively. Their net income is very good. Their balance sheet is also very, very strong too. They've been growing their shareholder equity quarter by quarter. It started with $74 million. Now it's $263 million. I believe that the shareholder equity will continue to grow in the future. That's why I believe Largo Resources is having an earnings report on March 22nd, 2019. I'm very interested to hear what they have to say in their press conference. Maybe I'll live stream it or something, but definitely a company that I'm interested in right now. I believe that it's my new winner. I believe that Largo Resources is going to be my new big winner. I believe that in the future it could be like a 5 to 10 bagger in the next 5 years. That's what I believe. In the next 5 years, I believe Largo could be a 5 to 10 bagger. So I'm going to be holding it long term, and I may add to my position depending on the scenario. Aurora is down 2 cents after hours. The market is almost closed, 1 cent after hours. The market is almost closed for Aurora. Today, Aurora stock was, the volume was very light. Usually when I don't know if it's a good sign. I think it's a good sign according to some charters. If the volume is low and the stock's going down, that's good. So if Aurora goes below $9, then I think Roya stock will become a trading stock, and the the bullish rally might be over. So let's hope it maintains this $9.72 and doesn't go below like $9.14 or $9.10, because then after that it could become a trading stock where it'll just rally to like $10 and then $9, and then eventually, maybe if we're lucky enough, it might go back down to $7. That would be awesome, but maybe that will never happen again. If we get lucky, it might go back down to $7. I'm hoping so. I still have shares. I still have 20,000 shares of Aurora, so it would still kind of benefit me to go up. I don't really care if it goes. Actually, I kind of care, but if it goes up, I'm still happy too, because I still have shares. So either direction doesn't really matter too much to me in the end. Like I said, I got a new company now that I have my eyes on, and I'm gonna just carefully do research. This is not gonna be like a one-day research. I'm gonna keep up with this company, follow it, and watch videos. Maybe do a video once in a while for Largo. And I will definitely be adding into my position for Largo. Cronos. Okay, Tilray. Okay, no. Alright, so Tilray after hours is down 1 cent. I don't know what, don't know how to read Tilray's chart. Like, I don't know what direction Tilray will go. It could be just trade flat for a long time, but I'm thinking that eventually it's either gonna pop up like big time, or it's gonna break down, go lower to like maybe $60. We'll see though, but I don't really know how to read Tilray in a sense, because it's pure speculation. It's already kind of overvalued. Like if you compare Tilray to Aurora, Aurora is a much better company than Tilray, yet Tilray is the market cap is way higher than Aurora. So yeah, that's not right, in a sense. Because look, Aurora is 7.2, while Tilray is 7.5. Tilray shouldn't even be close to this. Tilray should be like a $3 billion company or $4 billion company, not a $7 billion company. Just my opinion, though. Cronos Group, Cronos volume is starting to die off. I wonder if our Cronos stock is going to drop big time right after the earnings report, because they're going to have to, Cronos to hold full year and fourth quarter 2008 earning conference call on what date? What's the date? March 26th. So near the end of the month. Wow, that is crazy. I didn't think they would delay it that much, but March 26th, that's near the end of the month. I think Cron will drop big time after earnings, because they don't have that much production. At least this is what I believe from my research. So when they announce numbers like $10 million for a company that is like, once the dilution comes in, it's going to be a $9 billion company, and it makes $10 million with probably a net loss, it's not going to look very good. So I think the price is going to drop from that. I could be totally wrong. We'll see though. Village Farms. Man, if you bought Village Farms like a month ago when it was like $5, you would have 3 times your money. 3 times your money. That is an insane amount of return. 300% in 1 month. This stock has to have a big correction in a big way. I tried to do a put option on Village Farms. It didn't let me. So it's kind of strange. Maybe I'll do a NASDAQ put option on the US side, because I think it's going to have a big correction eventually. I'm really shocked that it's gone up to $15. I probably would have sold out mostly at probably $14. I'd probably sell out unless I really, really, really believe in this company in the long term. It did have some really exciting news today about, outdoor hemp cultivation and CBD extraction in the US. So that's the reason why. MedMen pulled back a little bit today. It's surprisingly holding up pretty strong. I may add to my MedMen position if it drops to a certain price. I'm not going to disclose that price, but members will know when I buy a stock or sell a stock. And I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice to buy or sell. It's just, I'm just showing you guys every time I buy something, and you guys can use that information however way you want it to. Acreage Holdings. Acreage Holdings, I did buy some shares there. I bought 200 shares of Acreage Holdings today. Not too much, but yeah, I bought it at $19. I may buy more if Acreage Holdings stocks drop. I mean, I'm hoping it dropped. It had a bounce and now it's falling back. I'm thinking that it could fall even further. I'm thinking that it could fall down to maybe, $17. I'm planning to add to my position because I don't know when Acreage Holdings will stop. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the correction mode of Acreage Holdings, or will it fall another $1, or will will it go to $18 or $17? I don't know that for sure. You can't predict that in the stock market. To me, it looks like it's going on a downtrend, so I'm hoping that Acreage Holding keeps going down, so I can buy in, so I can slowly add to my position, because I do believe in Acreage Holdings for the long term. Kira, I still have 500 shares of Kira. Kira had a nice drop today. Oh, it's like a 2% drop. I had to hang up because I'm making a phone. as a phone call. But anyways, I think it's done. But I guess, yeah, GTI today down 3.65%. It looks like all the US names are pulling back. So it's a good, makes a good entry point, because I'm a big believer in the US cannabis plays. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye. Oh, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye.